In a significant recognition of gallantry and distinguished service, the Honorable Governor of Tripura Indrasana Reddy Nalu presided over a prestigious investiture ceremony at the Lok Bhavan. The ceremony is organized to confer former citations upon two prominent units, the 35 Assam Rifles and the 637 SATA Bty Indian Army. The Governor's citation is a high honor bestowed upon military and paramilitary units that have demonstrated exceptional performance in operational duties, internal security and community service. For the personnel of the 35 Assam Rifles and 637 SATA Bty Indian Army, this citation serves as a unit award, symbolizing the collective bravery and hard work of every soldier in the ranks. It boosts morale and reinforces the strong bond between the civil administration of Tripura and the security forces stationed in the state.
Not for pomp or splendor, but for a purpose that lies at the very heart of Tripura's existence as a peaceful and progressive state. It is my profound honor and solemn duty to host this Investiture Ceremony where we present the award of citation to two exceptional military formations, 35 Assam Rifles and 635 SATA Bty of the Indian Army. This ceremony is not a mere transfer of documents. It is the voice of a grateful state acknowledging those who have bled, toiled and stood unwavering on its soil. Tripura, a state cradled by hills and oven, with rivers, has known its share of challenges, porous borders, dense jungles, and the constant need for vigilance. But because of units like 35 Assam Rifles and 635 SATA Bty, our villages have known peace, our markets have known safety. Let me speak first of the Assam Rifles, a force that has become synonymous with the very geography of the Northeast, known as the Friends of the Hill People. This unit has operated in Tripura's most remote and treacherous terrains, often walking while vehicles cannot venture and sleeping where the forest canopy becomes the only roof. They have conducted counter-insurgency operations with a restraint and professionally that honor the uniform that they wear. But more than that, they have built bridges, literal and metaphorical, between the security apparatus and the common citizen of Tripura. Whether rescuing families during flash floods, providing medical aid in cut-off villages, or simply being a measuring presence along the interest of interstate borders, 35 Assam Rifles has earned every inch of the citation we awarded today. Tripura does not forget. Tripura remembers every patrol, every ambush avoided, every life protected. And then there is the 635 SATA Bty of the Indian Army unit that works largely in silence, but whose impact is felt every single day. Across Tripura's skies, surface to air capability is not a luxury for a border state like ours, it is a necessity. These men and women of the 635 SATA Bty operates with technical precision that would impress any expert, yet they rarely seek recognition. They guard our airspace, they enable our defense strategies, and they remain on 24-hour alert. single lapse could have catastrophic consequences. In Tripura, where the sky meets the hill of Bangladesh and Mizoram, the vigilance of this battery has ensured that no hostile air threat goes undetected.
Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.